Hey, I'm JR Richmond with Master Services. I've been with the company for right at 5 years now. I've been in a couple different roles while I've been here, but most recently have moved into a fleet management role where I'm over all things fleet. So that includes all of our vehicles and equipment for each one of our teams. So our production, service, and sales team. Basically trying to keep good equipment for these guys to best serve customers like you. Outside of work, I've got a family, wife and 2 kids that we spend a lot of time at sporting events for those guys, whether it be basketball or football. And outside of that, I like to be outdoors myself. So hunting, fishing, working on old cars, one of my passions outside of work.